the canyon floor, as shadows gather by the temple door, a circle spinning in the upper air. They look down coldly on our deep despair, with razor talons and a piercing gaze. They watch us wander through the desert maze, no place to hide under the burning sun. The brutal hunt has only just begun. We hear the rustle of a feathered wing, the silent heralds of a dark playground. The sky is turning to a heavy red. We walk the line between the quick and dead. They track the motion of a failing breath, the patient architects of sudden death. Oh, the birds of prey are circling up above, circling up above. There is no mercy and there is no love. There is no love. They catch the thermals on a wicked breeze, wicked breeze, bringing the strongest to their bended knees. They dive like lightning from the highest peak to claim the trophies that they always seek. The empires crumble but the hunters thrive. They take the spirits that are left alive. A silver flash against a stormy cloud. They wear the darkness like a heavy shroud. We check our weapons in the freezing cold, but these are ancient forces, cruel and old. They know the weakness in a human heart and wait to tear the fragile shield apart. The target's moving on the dusty plain. They feel no pity and they feel no pain. The shadow stretches like an iron net, a bloody lesson that you won't forget. Oh, the birds of prey are circling up above, circling up above. There is no mercy and there is no love. There is no love. They catch the thermals on a wicked breeze, wicked breeze, bringing the strongest to their bended knees. Oh, we try to run, but there is nowhere left. Of every single shred of hope bereft. They rule the sky with an iron claw, the final enforcers of the jungle law. The birds of prey are circling up above. The hunters are descending from the sky above. There is no mercy and there is no love. No grace, no pity and there is no love. They catch the thermals on a wicked breeze, bringing the currents on a cold and wicked breeze, bringing the